Hello there, YouTube. Today we're going to do a Java game for beginners called Pong. So let's put new project. Call it what do we call it? My Pong game. Okay. Double click here. Click. Open up a class. Oops. Okay. Package manager. Just put a com in there. Dot. Because that's what most people do, call it after a website. Okay, so what we call this, just call it game. Okay, today I'm just going to set up the J-frame. The J-frame, if you don't know, is just a window which the game will go into. So we're going to extend canvas. And canvas is just something we draw onto. And we import that. And get rid of this. Okay. Now I expect people know basic Java, like variables, methods, and what a constructor is, because that's all we're going to be using in this game. There's no arrays or anything too complicated. So yeah, if you know that, and it is for beginners in gaming, so it's pretty much the hello world of gaming, Pong. Although we're going to do it a little bit differently to the normal one. I'm going to do it horizontal, more like a table tennis thing, so it's just a little bit different. I think it's better. Anyway, we're going to put in the main method, so public static. Uh-oh. Main string, square brackets, and parse. Okay, this is the main method. Everything runs in here. You need this to run the application. It's very important, unless you're doing an applet, but basically this is what you need for applications. Okay, so let's get a size for this. Okay, private final int width. What do we do? Yes, width. Let's say 120. Height. Private height. 160. We can change these later anyway. And put in a scale for this. Int scale. Scale that by 4. Okay. Now let's make the frame. Okay, hang on. Capital. And import this. Now the reason I'm going to just make that private. The reason I'm doing the frame here is because I want to put the FPS counter in the title bar of our window. So I'm going to make an instance of the game class. So game equals new game. Okay. Alright, and now the frame. Okay, new J-frame. And it should be new. Okay, new. That's a capital F. Okay. Right, so now we have to go game.f. I'm just going to copy this because I'm going to be using quite a bit. Okay, so set default close operation brackets jframe dot exit on close. There we go. By the way, I'm using Eclipse IDE, which is kind of the industry standard for Java. I better make that game there. It's what, you know, professional game programmers use anyway, like Notch and that, so it's highly recommended. Okay, let's set resizable to false. We don't want it resized. And again, the spelling is, there we go. Right, and set location relative to null. So this will just center the window in the screen here. So it's not going to be up in the corner and you have to keep pulling it down. So, okay, now what? Set visible to true. Set visible to true so we can see it. The default close operation is just the X in the corner, so when you click on it, it closes. If you don't have that, the game will keep running, so that just closes it down. Okay, so now I'm going to just put in game.start. We haven't created that yet, so we'll do that in a minute. First of all, I'm just going to do a constructor. Public game. Now, constructor. I'm going to put in a dimension which is part of the canvas, so it's just to do with resizing again with size. Size, we call it size. And then shape. And it's going to be scale multiplied by width. And scale multiplied by height. Okay, now we got to import dimension. Control Shift and O will import it if you don't want to keep going to hover over it. Okay, now we'll make a method for this. If you click on it, it should no, let's just do it. Okay, let me do it public. That's why it ends the head. Okay, that's why it ends the head. Synchronized void keeps it all together. It's just a okay, now the start should go away. Yeah, it's gone away. And I'm going to put in a stop as well, which will be used because we can create an applet with this later on. Okay, stop. And there we go. Now I'm going to put in implements. Runnable. Okay, and this will give us our run of the game, so it'll we get all our movement nicely while running. Okay, while running, so we gotta make variable for that. So it's gonna be a boolean while running equals false because we don't want it running yet. Right. Okay. So we gotta create one more thing, which is a thread. Thread. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. little window. We don't have a size yet though. That's okay. I'm just going to put a pack in here. One more thing here, which is going to be game. We're going to put in the pack, which packs it all together. As you can see here, the good thing with Eclipse, you get pop-up little windows, so you don't have to type too much stuff. Right. Let's place this down here and bring this up. Now we'll just add the game onto it. Add game. Okay, go back to the constructor. Let's set preferred size. This is just to keep things nice and tidy. I don't think you have to do this. But it's good practice. And set minimum size. And there we go. Now we should have a window. Oh, there we go. As I said, I'm going to resize that because it's a little bit too long. So, okay, that should be one anyway. Let's try again. Yeah, that'll be okay because we're going to play it here to here. It's going to be on the horizontal. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, that's just saying that we haven't used these methods yet. Right, so we have our window. Okay, so next time I'm going to start and stop using the threads, and we'll probably put a timer for the running. So till next time, that'll be part 2 of Java Pong, which I'll upload as soon as possible. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.